So hello, I'm back again. It's 2 hours later now, and I've received an email from desktop.studio with the credentials to log in to app.desktop.studio. Okay, everything has been successfully set up. So now let's have a look how it works. So let's go to app.desktop.studio. And log in here with the accounts we have been provided with. Okay, so here we are. Then let's provide the password. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, here. Now this is our environment where we can now start to set up our virtual machines. Let's see, so let's start with the simple virtual machines. We have multiple options here, but let's just for demo purposes make it easy and set up a virtual machine with a graphic card in it where several people can work on graphics programs like CAD programs like Revit simultaneously. Let's give that farm a name. Let's say this is our Revit machines, okay, or GPU workstation. Let's say those are our GPU workstations. Where is the location? We just specified that we want to have the location in West Europe, in Amsterdam, so here we are. We choose West Europe. We proceed, we select the VM size. Here we select the graphic workstations, okay, with 12 CPUs. And proceed, give it the name, like Revit, for example. Here we want to use Revit, and we want to enable multiple users to join that machine. We want to have the language in whatever language we want. Now here we stay with English. Select time zone, and here this is really interesting. Define whether when the machines are shut down, so the costs do not take over when nobody is logged on to the machines, or only disconnected, or all users are disconnected from the machine. The machine should be shut down in 10 respectively 30 minutes. Okay, so now we've hit create and the machines are created, or the machine is created. Perfect. So here we see we have our farm. Here is our Revit machine which is automatically set up. We could of course add additional VMs, but we don't want to do that now. And here we can also add some applications like Revit. Okay, so here let's choose the language. We want to have it in English. Then the country, Switzerland. The license type should be user-based, so I can type in my username and password. I could also specify other details. And then let's install the application. So what happens is, as soon as the machine is ready, it will install Revit automatically. I could, of course, add other applications like O365, also in English, and like whatever I need, you know. Maybe I need a Revit plugin or the DACH libraries or stuff like that. I can just add it, okay, and it will be installed automatically. Perfect. So now let's see what actually happened during the onboarding process in the backend. Let's connect to portal.azure.com. Let's go into here, and here we see what happened. So what we basically did is, or what happened automatically is, we've set up the environment, so the subscription, we registered the resource providers needed to have virtual machines deployed. Then there was a resource group deployed for resources. Okay, this GPU machine is just because this GPU resource group is because that farm. In the resources, we see what has been deployed, like the Azure AD domain services, the virtual network, and multiple different stuff. Okay, so that everything runs smoothly. Perfect. So what has been set up as well is the storage account. So here what has been added as well is the data, the storage account. And here we see that the file share has been set up automatically, which is already Azure Active Directory integrated, and it was already integrated into the desktop.studio portal. So we can see it here, and we can easily map the drive into the workstation like that. So now it has been made sure that the Revit worker has a working share where he can connect to.